Hello, today we are going to talk about MoneyView personal loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person are eligible for MoneyView personal loan. Having monthly salary of more than 15,000 for Metro City and 13,500. Applicant age should be between 21 year to 60 year. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 550. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, she may get loan amount up to 5,000 to 5 lakh. Rate of interest will be 16% to 36%, reducing. Loan tenure means time period of loan. In MoneyView, time period of loan is 3 months to 60 months. Processing fee will be 1% to 3% of the loan amount. Applicant can foreclose their charges with 1% to 5% of charges. Part payment is not allowed. FOIR, fixed obligation to income ratio, will be 60% of net salary. Turnaround time is 1 hour for confirmation and 24 hours for disbursement. Processing mode will be online. OD product is not available. BT Plus top-up is not available. Co-applicant is not mandatory. A unique selling point, USP, also called a unique selling proposition, will funding to all employee. Location coverage is Pan-India. Employer vintage should be 3 months salary credit in account. His or her minimum job experience should be 3 months. Let's talk about some other points. Salary mode. Person who is applying for the personal loan will be eligible. If salary receiving via NEFT, IMS, RTGS, company transfer. He or she will not eligible for a personal loan if applicant is receiving salary in cash. Let's move on negative industries for applying. They are not eligible if working with following industries like NRI employee, NGO employee. Required documents. KYC of applicant like Aadhaar card plus PAN card plus passport size photo. Last 3 month salary slip required. Last 6 month bank statement in PDF. Form 16 of last 2 year. Rent agreement if rented or utility bill if residence is owned. Sanction letter of all current running loan if any. Office ID card or official email ID if any.